Hey guys, in this video, we'll be comparing two of the finance management or we can say budgeting apps, Monarch Money and YNAB. So I just want you guys to stick to the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, so let's begin. Monarch Money is not just another face in the crowd. It stands tall as a comprehensive financial tool, aiming to cater to every aspect of one's financial health. From monitoring bank accounts, tracking investment portfolios, to visualizing future expenses, Monarch offers a complete package. With its intuitive and customizable dashboard, users don't just see numbers, they see a story of their financial journey. On the other hand, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, doesn't just hint at its purpose, it wears it proudly. Rooted in the philosophy of zero-based budgeting, YNAB aims to ensure every dollar is accounted for. It's not just about recording expenses, it's about understanding them. With its user-friendly interface, it offers a step-by-step guide to financial success, ensuring users not only spend wisely but save smartly. Monarch Money's design focuses on the user. By offering an adaptive and intuitive dashboard, it allows individuals to seamlessly track everything from their morning coffee expenses to intricate investment performance. The platform's beauty lies not just in its aesthetics, but its functionality, streamlining the budgeting experience for every user type. YNAB, on the other hand, shines in its simplicity. Its design aims to make day-to-day spending tracking a breeze. By offering a streamlined view of daily and monthly expenses, YNAB ensures that users can quickly assess their financial habits and make necessary adjustments with ease. Monarch Money embraces a holistic view of one's finances. It doesn't merely track or set budgets. It integrates investment tracking and financial planning into its ecosystem. By doing so, it ensures that users don't just focus on the present, but also strategize for their financial future. The platform's approach is about balance, ensuring every aspect of one's financial picture is catered to. YNAB, in contrast, emphasizes the philosophy of giving every dollar a job. Its zero-based budgeting tool is not just a feature, it's the foundation. By encouraging users to assign every dollar they earn to a specific expense or savings goal, YNAB ensures minimal wastage and optimized savings. It's a proactive approach, making users think about their monthly budget and future expenses constantly. Monarch Money's investment tracking is a standout. It doesn't merely show numbers, it presents an entire portfolio story. Users can dive deep into their investments, from individual stocks to real estate, ensuring they stay on track with their financial goals. Additionally, with its financial dashboard, users receive insights that can potentially guide investment decisions, making it an excellent choice for those keen on growing their wealth. YNAB, while primarily a budgeting tool, does offer insights into one's investments. It may not provide the depth that Monarch Money does, but it ensures that users have a basic understanding of where their investment stands. It's a nod to the platform's commitment to offering a comprehensive view of one's personal finances, even if its primary strength lies in budgeting. With Monarch Money, personalization is at the forefront. Recognizing that no two individuals have the same financial journey, it offers customizable budget categories. This flexibility ensures that users can craft a budget that mirrors their real-life spending patterns, making the budgeting process more reflective and effective. YNAB, true to its name, focuses on the budgeting experience. While it offers customization within its budgeting tools, it's slightly more prescriptive due to its zero-based budgeting philosophy. This method, though effective, might not offer the same breadth of customization that some users might seek. However, for those aligned with its philosophy, the tailored tools are invaluable. Monarch Money's 30-day free trial is a testament to the platform's confidence in its offerings. It gives users ample time to explore its robust tools, understand its capabilities, and truly assess if it aligns with their needs. Its premium plan, considering the plethora of features it offers, provides considerable value to users seeking a comprehensive financial tool. YNAB, on the other hand, offers a 7-day free trial. While shorter, it's enough for users to get a taste of its powerful budgeting tools. Its subscription plans, given the platform's track record and capabilities, offer significant value, especially for those deeply committed to the zero-based budgeting method. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, operates on a subscription-based model, requiring users to pay a monthly or annual fee to access its full suite of features. This fee grants users access to powerful budgeting tools, personalized financial insights, ongoing support, and educational resources. The subscription model ensures that YNAB can continuously update and improve its platform, providing users with the latest tools and features to help them manage their finances effectively. On the other hand, Monarch Money offers a free basic plan with optional premium features available for purchase. The free plan allows users to track their expenses, set financial goals, and get basic insights into their spending habits. However, to unlock advanced features such as investment management tools, customized reports, and additional support, users may choose to upgrade to a premium subscription. Monarch Money emphasizes user support with a dedicated team ready to assist with queries and technical issues. The platform's community features foster an interactive environment where users can share insights and learn from each other. This approach not only enhances the user experience, but also builds a supportive financial community. YNAB stands out with its active community forum and responsive email support. The platform encourages user interaction, enabling members to exchange tips, share experiences, and offer mutual support. YNAB's commitment to fostering a collaborative environment adds a unique dimension to the budgeting experience, making it more engaging and supportive for its users. Adaptability and feature evolution. Monarch Money actively adapts to changing financial landscapes and user feedback, consistently introducing new features and enhancements. This adaptive approach ensures that the platform remains relevant and effective in meeting modern financial management needs. YNAB also exhibits adaptability, regularly refining its budgeting tools and features to maximize effectiveness. The platform's dedication to evolving with user needs and financial trends makes it a reliable choice for budget-conscious users. After an in-depth analysis of both platforms, Monarch Money takes a slight edge, especially in terms of investment tracking and interface customization. However, it's essential to acknowledge the unique strengths that YNAB brings to the table, particularly its strong emphasis on zero-based budgeting. Ultimately, the best platform depends on individual preferences and financial needs. Those looking for comprehensive financial planning might lean towards Monarch Money, while fervent budgeters might find solace in YNAB. So that's basically it for this comparison. If you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.